Hey folks, Roberto Lee here with Pinnacle Property Group, and today we're going to take a look at this inventory home from Lennar at Bonita National Golf and Country Club. This is the Maria floor plan, part of the executive line of homes. This is a non-golf home, no golf membership, no dues to consider for the golf here at Bonita National. This is a great home at 2,247 square foot, 3 bedrooms with a den. Gets a tile roof, hurricane impact glass and doors, pool, summer kitchen, paver driveway. There's so many features in this home. Let's run inside here, take a quick look. This home is going to be ready here by November, within the next 60 days or so. This one's going to offer a fantastic savings. Right now, this home is being offered at $537,000. You can pick it up at $510,000. That's a savings of $27,000. But before we go into the nuts and bolts, let's look at this home here first. Directly to my left as we enter is the first guest bedroom and guest bath. So your first guest bedroom is up here towards the front of the home. Nice window here, allowing for lots of light. You have your bifold style closet, and then you have wood cabinetry in the closet for hanging all your clothes. You got the nice 9x36 style plank tile in the main areas here. Guest bath, the nice darker espresso type cabinets. The lighter granite really pops. You have your shower tub combination here. And then your second bedroom, or you can use it as a den, is located right here off of the guest bath. This one has the upgraded flooring in it. And there is a full closet, bifold closet, so you can use this as a den, study area, office, flex room, or even a third bedroom. It has the pocket doors here leading out to the hallway, and then it does have the door access into where the guest bath is. Consequently, this area here also has a pocketing door that you can close this all off and give both of these bedrooms here a good bit of privacy. Now, coming down the hallway to my right is the second true guest bedroom here. This one is an ensuite, so you get your own bath in this bedroom. Really nice feature here. Same cabinetry, same 9x36 plank tile flooring, and this one you have your shower set up as opposed to your tub and shower combination like you saw in the other guest bathroom. But this is really nice, gives your guests some additional privacy. Directly to the left of this room is the laundry. You get the washer dryer, you get the cabinetry, you get the utility sink as well. And this is all off your front load garage here. 2-car garage, comes with the garage door opener. You're also going to have a painted epoxy flooring on this garage once it's complete. And then turning our attention to the main area here, this Maria is a really great plan. It's nice and open. You can see how much space there is here. You get the tray ceilings, the crown molding in all the main areas, and the tray ceiling, recessed lighting. Awesome kitchen with your wall oven and microwave, your standalone cooktop. You've got this great flat kitchen island here, perfect for entertaining. Set up some chairs there. That's where you're going to spend most of your time anyway. Full appliance package included. Under cabinet lighting, everything that you're seeing here included at that $510,000 price point. There's an awesome buy here at Bonita National. You get this huge pantry, walk-in style pantry here, which is really nice. And this looks over your entire dining and living space here. Huge triple sliders leading out to your pool area. We'll take a look at that here in a moment. Let's finish up on the inside. You have the master suite tucked away here in the back corner of the house. Really nice size master here. Again, the tray ceilings, the crown molding, all of that is part of the package. And as we come inside, you've got a couple of closets here for storage space. You have this one here on the right, which is more of your traditional walk-in style closet with your wood shelving. And then directly across, you have a bifold closet here, more of the coat closet setup, if you will. And then we have the master bath here. Again, you have the 9x36 plank tile flooring, really attractive there. You have your separate his and hers dual sinks. You've got a nice vanity seating area there in the middle. You have your standalone tub. And then you have this walk-in shower here. And then also you have your separate commode room or water closet, as you may call it. And coming back out into the master, you also have your sliding glass doors that take you directly outside to your pool area. So out in the pool area here, really nice setup. Plenty of room under truss here. You've got an outdoor kitchen. You're gonna have a fridge, grill. You've got the vent there, the nice stone background. And this overlooks your entire pool area, your pool and spa. Beautiful preserve back here. This is an awesome floor plan here at Bonita National. Plenty of room out of the elements. Have a nice size lounging table here for you and your guests. All right, folks, this is the Maria, part of the executive line of homes here at Bonita National Golf and Country Club. Again, this is a non-golf home, so no membership dues to worry about here. Offer price on this one from Lennar is $537,000. You can get a $27,000 discount right now on this home. Buy this home for $510,000. My name is Roberto Lee with Pinnacle Property Group. You can contact me at 239-671-4046, 239-671-4046, or you can email me, roberto@bonitanationalcc.com. That's roberto@bonitanationalcc.com, or you can visit my website, bonitanationalcc.com, for all the latest and greatest information about Bonita National. This is Roberto Lee. We'll talk to you guys soon. Bye-bye.